preserving leaves through lamination. You will need passion, a love for walking in nature and the city, willing to collect leaves that catch your eye. A notebook, not a laptop. It's useful for placing the leaves as you collect them. This helps avoid damaging the leaves and reduces some of their moisture. For certain leaves, letting them dry for a few days is beneficial, but for others, this might cause significant color changes, leading to a loss of the vibrant hues that made you choose them. You'll learn through experience which method works best for different leaves. Avoid stacking leaves in the same page. Doing so can trap moisture and encourage fungal growth. Instead, spread the leaves out across different pages, keeping them well separated. Identify the tree species. If you're unsure of the species, use online plant identification tools. Note the species, location, and date of collection. These details will be fascinating to look back on years or even decades later. A document laminator machine. These machines are often affordable and produce excellent results. I've also experimented with ironing, but the results were not as good. Feel free to try your own creative methods. Pouch films. These are 2 sheets joined on one side, allowing you to arrange the leaves inside. Before running them through the laminator, the film is matte, but afterward it becomes completely transparent. A workspace. Set up a clean and organized area where you can arrange the leaves for lamination. Scissors. Use scissors to trim thick petioles, as they can distort the plastic and might damage your laminator. Start with the sealed edge. When placing the pouch in the laminator, begin with the side that is already glued. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment. It really means a lot. Subscribe to my channel for more inspiring content about connecting with nature in everyday life, including topics like sustainable development, tree identification, natural phenomena, and so much more. By the way, if you enjoyed the music in this video, I'm thrilled. It's one of my own songs. You can find the links in the description to listen to it for free, anytime and anywhere. See you in the next video. Let me know if you'd like further tweaks.